Personally, it's that even makes sense. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today's video is a fun video. It's actually the first, probably second, okay, not first. I've done other fashion video, but this one is more of like a tips video, and I get so many questions about my style and how I find things for affordable price and how I don't spend so much on clothes but still able to look good and all that stuff. So I'm here to share with you 5 tips on how to look stylish but on a budget. How to slay on a budget. How to look bad and bougie on a budget. How to snatch wigs on a budget. Always look on point but without spending a lot of coins, okay? For me, the first tip I would always give people is thrifting. Thrifting is such a lifesaver when it comes to shopping on a budget because you find affordable pieces, you find unique pieces that you won't find. Don't you just hate it when you find people wearing the same clothes as you? That's like one of my pet peeves. I like standing out the way I dress, and I feel like thrifting is the best way to do that, especially here because we don't have that much stores, so everyone's just shopping at the same places. So I feel like thrifting is such a good way to find unique pieces that no one else is wearing, you know what I mean? So you guys can check out Toy, have affordable stuff, Gikomba have a lot of stuff, Ngara has a lot of stuff. Basically it's just affordable, very stylish, and the good thing about it is you get in trend items at a very affordable price. I know sometimes trends come and go so quick, it wouldn't make sense spending a lot of money on like a trend. It's easier when you could spend a little, enjoy the trend, and then leave, and you wouldn't feel a dent in your wallet. Another tip I will always give is just picking one color scheme and sticking to that, and picking colors that complement it. For me personally, I love black. If you don't know me, or if you haven't seen my Instagram, Shameless Black, I'm always dressed in black. Like for me, black is such a staple. Like, okay, I do wear other colors. Black dominates most of my closet, which I'm perfectly okay with because you look more put together, you look more classy, you basically look better compared to wearing like a bunch of different colors at the same time. You kind of look like all over the place. I feel like sticking to one color scheme for me is a major win to looking all the time. I don't necessarily mean just sticking to black. You can go with any other color you want, as long as keeping the colors minimal or colors that complement each other. You could wear, let's say, red and black, white and red, you know what I mean? But just don't wear like green shoes, a black bag, a blue shirt, nude abaya. Just keep the colors simple. Less is more. The less colors you wear, the more put together and the good you look. Now the next tip is accessories. Now this is like my favorite thing in the world because I could be wearing a basic ass black abaya, but I would come through with accessories. Now I personally like earrings. If you don't know, I like wearing big statement earrings. That's like a thing for me. Something else I really like is sunglasses. If you don't know, like sunglasses is they're so close to my heart. Like that's one of my favorite accessories. If I was to pick an accessory to have forever, it'd be sunglasses. Don't go overboard with the accessories. You want someone to look at you, don't want them to be distracted by everything that's going on. Mixing it up with my accessories to give my outfit the little push it needs to look good. And accessories don't go for that much either. It just makes you slay on a budget basically. The next tip I'm gonna give you guys is confidence. Sometimes all you need is just like a little confidence. It's not a matter of being conceited and thinking you look better than everyone, but sometimes it's good to acknowledge that you look good, and it's fine. It's fine to know you look good. Once you have that confidence to wear your clothes, it's gonna make the outfits pop way more. Just look at yourself in the mirror and just tell yourself, okay, shh, I look good, sis. Don't let the outfits wear you, wear the outfits. Something else I'd like to add into that confidence is wearing what you want that makes you feel good. If you feel like wearing a pink dress makes you feel good and look good, put it on. If you feel like wearing a sweatshirt makes you look good, wear it. Wear clothes that make you feel good and make you feel confident in your own body, in your own skin. That way, they're gonna look good. Don't force yourself to wear something you don't feel comfortable in. Don't let other people pressure you to wear things you're not comfortable in. Wear what you want to wear. Now, the final tip I want to add into all of this is picking pieces that you can style multiple ways. For example, staple pieces in your wardrobe. I feel like having staple pieces in your wardrobe is so important because you can style these staple pieces so differently in so many different like scenarios. For example, a white tee. You can wear a white tee with a dress. You can wear a white tee with a skirt, a pencil skirt, A-line skirt. Just like different ways. It could be classy, it could be casual, it could be sporty, it could be edgy. Find pieces that you can style multiple ways. That way you wouldn't have to spend a lot random ass pieces that you will never ever wear. Let me know if you guys want to see like staples, wardrobe staples type of video, because I could definitely do that. But I feel like having staples in your wardrobe is so important, because when I dress myself, I have to have a foundation for your outfit, something you can build your outfit around. You have to have like the staple pieces, and then everything else falls around around it. Yeah, those are all the tips I have to share with you guys. It was such a quick video. Wow, right? Like 5 minutes, 4 minutes. That was quick. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Let me know what other style tips, style related type of videos you guys want to see other than like the lookbooks, which I enjoy making. But yeah, thanks so much for watching. If you haven't subscribed already, I'm gonna keep saying this, subscribe down below and join our little family. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye guys. I'm done.